Hey everyone, Alex here, and a quick heads up to my usual gear crowd that today isn't about pens. But stick around because next week I'm doing a special giveaway just for creators. Today, I'm walking you through a super handy method to turn one long video into loads of ready-to-post clips and get them scheduled across all your socials with almost zero babysitting. Honestly, using this method will save you countless hours every single week. This is going to be a quick, practical guide focused entirely on using Vizard to genuinely make your life easier. I chose this tool because it excels at three things crucial for growth without burnout: auto-editing viral clips, auto-scheduling posts based on your frequency, and offering one central content calendar. Plus, I'll quickly compare it against other popular tools you already know, so you can see exactly what works best. First, if you already publish long-form content like podcasts or lectures, you know the real grind isn't recording. It's repackaging that gold into bite-sized clips people actually watch. Traditionally, you scrub, cut, export, upload, caption, and then manually schedule every single piece of content. For a single episode, that entire manual process can easily swallow up several hours of your day. Vizard completely flips that entire time-consuming workflow on its head. All right, let me walk you through the actual step-by-step process now. Imagine walking into the dashboard and seeing one long episode instantly mapped out into a full week's worth of social shorts. Step 1 is simply connecting your source material by either uploading the raw video or linking your YouTube or Google Drive account. I generally prefer pulling the raw file because it gives the AI the best possible footage to analyze, though linking works perfectly well too. Once connected, Vizard immediately scans the entire video and starts building a timeline populated with automatically detected key moments, skipping manual scrubbing entirely. Step 2 is the magic button. You hit auto-edit viral clips and let the AI take over. This specific step is the one that honestly feels like cheating the very first time you use it. The AI analyzes critical engagement markers like audio energy, natural sentence breaks, topic shifts, and even crowd reactions that perform strongly online. It then suggests complete clips, expertly trimmed and framed not as random extracts, but as genuinely attention-grabbing content. You receive a batch of ready-to-post clips complete with suggested captions, thumbnail stills, and aspect ratio variations for every platform you need. Oh, sir. From here, you can approve everything, make minor trim adjustments, or reject any clip that doesn't perfectly fit your unique content vibe. Moving on to step 3, we have the quick polish stage, which is incredibly streamlined. The real beauty is that you absolutely do not need to be a professional video editor to make these look fantastic. If you want to add a quick stylistic text overlay, you simply click to add it. If you want to swap the suggested thumbnail for a better-looking frame from the clip, you just click to select a new one. If you need to shorten a clip from 35 seconds down to 18, you drag the handles and the AI instantly reflows the caption and thumbnail suggestions for you. Compared to tools like Descript, which require a lot of manual input to pinpoint the viral segments, Vizard's initial clip selection feels vastly more hands-off. And compared to manual editors like CapCut, you aren't repeating the exact same trimming and formatting steps for every single social platform. Now we jump into step 4, which is where most other editing tools completely stop: the scheduling process. You choose the auto-schedule option, set a frequency like daily or custom cadence, and the AI intelligently cues the clips onto your posting timeline. It even spaces out clips intelligently to ensure you never post two very similar pieces of content consecutively. If the daily thought of when to post constantly clutters your mind, this scheduling feature alone is worth the subscription. Step 5 brings us to the content calendar and the final review stage, which is incredibly helpful for oversight. The week-by-week visual calendar view is honestly my favorite aspect because it shows you exactly what is going live and when. Within this view, you can drag and drop clips to adjust dates, swap in an alternate edit, or drop in specific notes for yourself. Crucially, when a specific clip performs exceptionally well, you can promote it directly into a new post sequence right from that same calendar interface. This centralized management is a massive advantage over platforms like VEED or InVideo, which often have strong editors but lack the necessary robust scheduling integration. Before wrapping up, here are a few quick tips and important real-world caveats to keep in mind. The AI is generally fantastic at identifying those punchy moments, but you must remember it is not completely flawless. If your source video contains a lot of subtle nuance or many specific proper nouns, take a moment to quickly glance over the AI-suggested captions. If you're creating content where exact tone matters, like comedy timing or specific callbacks, you might want to slightly adjust the clip endpoints for perfect delivery. However, for the majority of long-form content, Those raw AI suggestions are already 80 to 90% usable, which is precisely where you achieve massive time savings. Now for a quick comparison. Since I know many of you have likely tried a few other popular editing tools out there, Descript excels at transcript-based editing, and it remains my top pick when I need to fix tricky audio or work through large volumes of transcription. The major difference is that Descript still heavily expects you to handle all the creative heavy lifting regarding clip selection. It absolutely will not propose an entire ready-to-go lineup of viral short clips for you automatically. CapCut is amazing for quick on-the-go trimming and flashy mobile edits, but it is almost entirely manual and offers no integrated scheduling or calendar management. Newer all-in-one editors offer great templates and captioning, but they often gate full exports or multi-format outputs behind higher tiers and still lack native multi-channel publishing. That's the exact intersection where Vizard truly shines, seamlessly blending deep editorial automation with essential post-management tools. Another flexible benefit is pairing Vizard with your existing external captioning workflow, allowing you to add localized subtitles without rebuilding the source clips. Vizard focuses purely on the critical clip selection and the publishing pipeline, keeping things flexible for your localization needs. All right, let's quickly address a scenario. When should you absolutely not rely fully on the auto-editing capabilities? If your brand aesthetic is extremely curated, requiring precise color grading or complex motion graphics, you will still need to invest some hands-on editing time. However, you can use Vizard to create excellent drafts, then export those into your preferred NLE for the final, high-touch polish. For the vast majority of content creators, the hybrid approach, AI handles the bulk, you handle the final creative sign-off, is the absolute sweet spot. In conclusion, if you produce long-form content and need to scale short-form distribution without hiring an extra editor, Vizard is legitimately one of the easiest solutions available. Auto-detect the best moments, polish them in seconds, and put your entire posting schedule on autopilot. That's the daily operational win here. It won't replace a highly specialized editor for top-tier broadcast productions, but it will turn every long episode into a steady social content stream with minimal friction. If you want a full hands-on demo or a direct side-by-side comparison against Premiere, let me know by commenting below and I'll prioritize making that video next. I'll drop a link in the description for a Vizard trial, along with a quick checklist to help you decide when to trust the AI versus when to intervene. I really hope this helps you stop overworking on repackaging and actually get back to making more of the main content you love. Thank you so much for watching. Remember that giveaway is next week, so make sure you're subscribed, and I will catch you all in the next one.